On Monday, July 4th, 2022 at 5:04 p.m, Kenneth Fain was clocked at 91 miles per hour in a 70 miles per hour zone on Interstate 20. Instead of pulling over, he went full throttle to 130 miles per hour, weaving through traffic, running red lights, and nearly causing a disaster. Officers safely performed a PORI to end the madness and found a gun, ammo, booze and suspected drugs in his BMW. Fain admitted his licence was suspended and that he panicked. Smart move, turning a speeding ticket into a grand tour of felony charges. Turns out going 130 miles per hour doesn't help you escape trouble, it just gets you to jail faster.
I'm not mad about going to jail. I'm scared of the police. I'm scared of the police.
Hey, hush. Hush. What's your name? Where's your ID at?
Kenneth Fain.
Where's your ID at?
All my stuff is in my car.
What you running for? Hold on, wait. You have the right to remain silent and things that can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him or her present before any questioning. If you wish, you can decide if it...
On the night of February 10th, 2023 in Southland Drive, a grey sedan was pulled over for a faulty headlight and no licence plate. But as the officer stepped out, the driver suddenly sped off. Moments later, the car's hood flew open, blocking his view, yet he kept going, driving into oncoming traffic, running a stop sign and nearly hitting a semi-truck. The chase reached I-40 East, where police performed a TVI spinning the car into a wall. The driver then climbed onto the bridge wall and jumped 35 feet down, but survived and was taken to hospital. The car was unregistered, uninsured, and his female passenger was also arrested. High-speed escapes rarely end well. Running only makes things worse.
He hasn't moved any at all. He possibly could have. Of course, if you'll note, I watched him jump. He did a backflip over the railing, so.
On Saturday afternoon, August 21st, 2021 at 3:31 p.m, police spotted Teresa Morgan speeding and ignoring traffic stops. She kept driving recklessly, blowing through stop signs and swerving into oncoming lanes.
I'll be fixing the push button in just a second, stand by. Get ready to get out. Hey, reaching. Like on push button in a second. Follow. Careful, what's secondary? Hey, reaching for something in the center console. Reach for something in the center console. Get your ass out! Get your ass out!
When she slowed near an intersection, officers saw her reaching towards the center console, possibly to hide something or prepare to flee again. A pit maneuver stopped her for good. Morgan was sweating, slurring her speech, and had pinpoint pupils, all signs of drug influence. She refused a blood test and was charged with felony fleeing.
Stagecoach drive. We're just east of. We got so many knives. But that's in the car. Is there anything else? Any more than? Huh?
No.
You're under arrest. Go ahead and take the load, okay?
On Wednesday night, November 27th, 2024 at 11:32 p.m, police chased down a grey Dodge Challenger speeding north on I-530. The car was swerving dangerously before being stopped with a tactical vehicle intervention.
Approaching the north interchange, speed 132. Watch traffic.
The vehicle spun out and hit the barrier, but before it stopped, the driver jumped out and ran over the guardrail, disappearing into the night. The passenger refused to name the driver. The suspect's on the run, but no one stays hidden forever.
Alright, we got one running down towards the car. You got any weapons in here? Get out of the car. Hey, can y'all stay with her? Hey, we got one on foot down here.
One on foot. On you.
On the afternoon of July 4th, 2022 in Flint, Michigan, state police locked eyes on a homicide suspect tearing down the highway in a silver Dodge Charger, clocking an outrageous 106 miles per hour.
Passing Clinton. Let me passing Clinton. Passing Clinton.
1677, we'll do it in a second. Right car, I'm going.
Speed's 103. Speed's out there. Speed's 103, still west on here.
Despite 2 failed PIT attempts, the chase pressed on through moderate traffic, with the added risk that the suspect might be armed. Pushing his luck too far, he crashed during a sharp turn and was quickly taken into custody. While being cuffed, he started complaining about chest pain, likely the shock of realising his high-speed escapade had landed him not in freedom, but in a jail cell with complimentary iron bracelets, zero privacy, and the kind of room service that only serves cold meals.
I got both hands. You get them a buckle for me? Hands. You got any guns or anything, man? No, sir. Nope. Yep. Both hands up. Hands up. On the ground, on the ground, on the ground. On the ground. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Hands down the back. Down the top, watch your leg. Hands down my back. You're good. All right. Custody. You what? Okay. Can you sit up? You want to stand? Yeah, you can help me. Pretty good. Let's get him. 47, yeah. Good work. What's that? A little lighter. Want to sit up against the car?
Yes, I am. That's you?
Yeah, that's me. How you feeling? What do you got? Oh, my chest. Chest, okay. When you say chest, you mean skeletal or like your heart?
On the night of November 29th, 2024, on Interstate 430, police received a report about a black Nissan Altima swerving and failing to stay in its lane. When officers tried to stop the car, the female driver didn't flee, but drove slowly for kilometres, blocking traffic.
I'm coming up from 630 behind you.
Eventually, she pulled over and was taken to jail. Officers noted a strong smell of alcohol, slurred speech, and her blood alcohol level was 0.19, more than double the legal limit. Driving like that? Risky doesn't even begin to cover it.
Get out of the car! Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Get out and let me see your hands. Walk back here. Get over. Get over to the front of my car. The front of my car. Keep going to the right. I'm gonna let you hook her up. Keep going to the right. Stop right there.